From a plank position, raise your hips up toward the ceiling so your body is in an inverted V shape. Bend your right knee and step your right foot between your hands. If your foot doesn't make it that far, use your hands to place it there. Lift your hips up and extend your legs. Place your hands on blocks on either side of your right foot, or, if you're flexible enough, place them on the floor. Rotate your left toes out. Don't let your left hip pull back. Imagine your hips are headlights. Keep them both facing forward. Take a few deep breaths here and then repeat on the opposite side.